Here are 5 AI tools that are killing traditional agencies right now. Agencies are bleeding clients faster than they can update their profile. Not to other agencies, but to AI tools that cost less than their Monday morning coffee room. Clients are finding out that they can get the same work done, sometimes even better, for 90% less. The agency model is collapsing in real time. Here's what's actually happening. That $10,000 a month retainer that social media managers usually get, clients are discovering that they can do it all by themselves with AI just for $100. That $50,000 rebrand, AI tools are pumping out the same quality for just simply $500. Agencies are scrambling everywhere, but it's already over. Let's talk about the first agency killer, which is called Pencil AI. This thing creates video ads that look just like a creative team spent weeks on them, except it only takes about 10 minutes. No script writers, no video editors, no motion designers, just prompts and assets. There's this e-commerce brand out there that was paying an agency $30,000 a month for Facebook and TikTok ads. New ads every week, constant testing, full production, all that good stuff. They switched to Pencil AI though, and now they generate 100 ad variations daily. And what's the cost? Only $120 per month. Performance, 3 times better ROAs because they can test everything. Here's how Pencil works. You just simply upload your product photos, logos, brand guidelines, tell it your target audience and what the goals are. It generates scripts, selects stock footage for you, adds animation, it creates multiple hooks, and even does the voiceover. Full video ads ready for deployment. It's really one of the greatest things. The agency's 2-week turnaround is automatically gone. Next up, we have Ad Creative AI. This one is destroying creative agencies from every and all different type of angles. So it doesn't just make ads, it predicts which ones will perform before you spend $1. Machine learning trained on millions of winning ads. So a Miami real estate firm was paying $15,000 a month to an agency for Google and Facebook Creative, right? Constant back and forth, revisions, approvals, but now they just use Ad Creative AI. It generates 50 videos, ranks them by predicted performance, and they just run the top 5. Their CPM dropped 60%. The agency fired last month. The brutal part of Ad Creative is the data. It knows what colors convert for your industry, what headlines work for your demographic, what layouts drive clicks, and agencies guess. AI knows. That's not a fair fight, honestly. Then you got Beautiful AI. Not because it looks beautiful, it's called Beautiful AI, which is killing the presentation design agent. Companies that are paying $5,000 for pitch decks are realizing that this tool can make those same pitch decks in an hour, and they look way better than what the agencies are delivering. So watch this. If you type bullet points, then Beautiful AI turns them into stunning slides. It chooses layouts, animations, transitions, and color schemes all for you. Everything follows design principles. No cluttered slides, just clean, professional presentations that win the deals. So there was a startup that raised $2 million using the pitch deck they made in Beautiful AI in only 90 minutes. The VC firm asked who designed it. They assumed it was Pentagram or some high-end agency. Nope, it was a $45 a month AI tool. Now, when it comes to brand strategy, you got Looker and you got Brandmark. I personally use Looker, but agencies charging $20,000 for brand identity packages are losing to AI that does it all for $200. Logo, color palette, fonts, business cards, social templates. But here's what agencies don't want you to know. Looker doesn't just generate random logos. It uses the same designs principal agencies learned in expensive design schools. Golden ratios, color psychology, typography rules, etc. All baked into the algorithm. So there's this coffee shop chain that was quoted $35,000 for a rebrand by 3 different agencies. They used Luca instead and got 300 logo variations, picked their favorite one, downloaded every asset that they needed from it, and the total cost was $195. They used the saved money to open another location. And for the final nail on the coffin, we have Copy AI with brand voice training. Marketing agencies' biggest value prop was, we understand your voice. Well, Copy AI learns your voice from 20 samples and writes unlimited content that sounds exactly like you. Feed it your best blog posts, emails, social content. It learns your tone, humor, references, everything. Then it writes faster than any human ever could. Blog posts, email, campaigns, ad copy, social media, all consistent, all on brand, only for $49 a month. So here's what's really happening in the market right now. Smart agencies are pivoting to AI operators. They aren't fighting these tools, they are actually mastering them. So one person with these 5 tools can actually deliver what a 15-person agency would. They're charging premium prices for AI expertise, not execution. But traditional agencies are really the ones who are still pretending that AI isn't replacing them. In reality, they are. They're dead companies walking, honestly. Their overheads are crushing them: office leases, salaries, benefits, etc., all to do work that AI does better, faster, and cheaper. The smart move, if you are an agency employee, learn these tools now. Become an AI specialist, or better yet, go freelance with this stack. Honestly, undercut your old agency by 70% and still make more money than you did as an employee. For businesses still paying for agencies, here's a wake-up call. That agency presenting original work, they're probably using these exact same tools and charging you 100 times markup. You could do it yourself today after this video. So the calculation is simple when it comes to the numbers. You have Pencil AI, which is about $120 a month. You got Ad Creative AI, which is $39 a month. You have Beautiful AI, which is $45 a month. You have Luca, which is a $195 one-time payment. And you have Copy AI, which is a $49 a month subscription. But your total will be about $253 a month for the capabilities that agencies charge $30,000 a month for. Now, the agency model worked when creativity and execution required human being, but AI doesn't just automate execution, it's creative as well. And it gets better every week while agencies are still having meetings about having meetings. The revolution isn't coming, it's here. The agencies that do not adapt, they're just expensive middlemen between clients and AI tools. And nobody needs middlemen anymore. Peace.